Today I will talk about how can you disable smart reminders on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. And all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message it, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You can purchase smart reminders here. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's called that's mean here smart reminders disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.